Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations. Numerology is a divinatory practice that uses numbers to gain insight into one's life path, personality, and future events. It is based on the belief that numbers have inherent meanings and vibrations that can reveal hidden truths about our lives. By understanding the meanings behind certain numbers, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. In numerology, the life path number is a crucial component that represents our life's journey and purpose. It is calculated using a person's birth date, and it is believed to reveal their strengths, weaknesses, and the opportunities and challenges they may encounter throughout their lives. To calculate your life path number, you need to add up the digits in your birth date until you get a single-digit number or a master number. For example, if your birth date is June 10, 1990, you would add 6 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 0 equals 26. Then, you would add the two digits in 26 together to get 2 plus 6 equals 8. Therefore, your life path number is 8. Life path number 33 is considered a master number in numerology, and it is one of the most spiritually significant life path numbers. It is believed to represent selfless service, creativity, and deep compassion for others. People with this life path number are thought to have a strong connection to the divine and possess unique gifts and abilities that can be used to make a positive impact in the world. They are often described as natural healers, teachers, and spiritual leaders. Life path number 33 is a unique and powerful number in numerology, often referred to as the master teacher or master healer. People born with this life path are considered to be highly spiritual and compassionate individuals with a deep desire to help others. Some of the key traits associated with life path number 33 include creativity. People with life path number 33 are often highly creative and possess a great deal of artistic talent. They may be drawn to fields such as music, writing, or the visual arts. Empathy. These individuals are known for their strong sense of empathy and compassion. They have a deep understanding of others' emotions and are often able to provide comfort and support to those in need. Intuition. Life path 33 individuals have a strong sense of intuition and are often able to sense things before they happen. They may have a deep interest in metaphysical or spiritual topics. Selflessness. Those with life path number 33 are often driven by a desire to help others and make the world a better place. They may choose careers in fields such as teaching, counseling, or social work. Responsibility. These individuals often have a strong sense of responsibility and may feel a deep obligation to make a positive impact on the world around them. While life path number 33 has many strengths, it also comes with some unique challenges. Some of the potential challenges associated with this life path include overwhelming emotions. Those with life path number 33 may be prone to feeling overwhelmed by their emotions, particularly when they are focused on helping others. It's important for them to practice self-care and find healthy outlets for stress. Perfectionism. Life path 33 individuals may struggle with perfectionism, which can lead to feelings of frustration and burnout. It's important for them to remember that perfection is not always attainable, and to focus on progress rather than perfection. Self-neglect. Because those with life path number 33 are so focused on helping others, they may neglect their own needs and well-being. It's important for them to prioritize self-care and set healthy boundaries to avoid burnout. Unrealistic expectations. Life path 33 individuals may have high expectations for themselves and others, which can lead to disappointment and frustration. It's important for them to practice acceptance and compassion, both for themselves and for others. In summary, life path number 33 is a powerful and unique life path that comes with both strengths and challenges. Those with this life path are highly empathetic, creative, and responsible individuals who have a deep desire to make a positive impact on the world around them. However, they may also struggle with overwhelming emotions, perfectionism, self-neglect, and unrealistic expectations. In numerology, the year 2023 is considered a universal year 7. This number is significant because it represents a year of introspection, spiritual growth, and analytical thinking. For those with a life path number 33, this year may bring new opportunities for personal and spiritual growth. In terms of predictions for 2023, it's important to note that the universal year 7 is a time of reflection and inner work. This means that it's a great year to focus on self-improvement and personal development. For those with a life path number 33, this year may bring a deeper understanding of their purpose and a sense of fulfillment in their work or personal life. One potential challenge that may arise in 2023 is the tendency to overanalyze situations and become too caught up in the details. This can lead to feelings of stress and anxiety, particularly for those with a life path number 33 who tend to be highly sensitive and empathetic. It's important to balance analytical thinking with a healthy dose of intuition and trust in one's own inner guidance. In terms of opportunities, 2023 may bring new creative ventures or projects that align with a life path number 33's desire to help others and make a positive impact on the world. It's also a great year to focus on building strong relationships and connections with others, particularly those who share similar values and beliefs. Overall, 2023 is a year of growth and self-discovery for those with a life path number 33. By focusing on personal development and embracing opportunities for creative expression and connection with others, this year has the potential to be a truly transformative one. As a life path number 33, you are likely to feel the impact of the universal year 7 more strongly than other life path numbers. The energy of the number 7 is all about introspection, spiritual growth, and a quest for knowledge and understanding. It's a time to look inward, to analyze your thoughts and feelings, and to seek answers to the deeper questions in life. For those with a life path number 33, this year presents an opportunity for significant personal growth and spiritual development. You may find that you are particularly drawn to meditation, yoga, or other practices that help you connect with your higher self. If you want to learn more about numerology, spiritual growth, and manifestation techniques that actually work, please like this video. And don't forget to subscribe. This is also a good year to take classes or workshops that deepen your understanding of spiritual concepts or to embark on a journey of self-discovery. However, the energy of the number 7 can also bring challenges. You may find yourself feeling more introspective than usual, which can lead to feelings of isolation or loneliness. It's important to remember that this is a natural part of the spiritual growth process, and that reaching out to trusted friends or seeking the support of a therapist can be helpful. In terms of numerology predictions for 2023, this year is likely to be a time of change and transformation for many people. The energy of the number 7 is associated with change, adaptability, and growth, and it's likely that we will see many changes on a global scale this year. For those with a life path number 33, this can be a time of great opportunity. Your natural leadership skills and ability to inspire others can be particularly valuable during times of change and upheaval. You may find that you are called upon to take on a leadership role in your personal or professional life, and that your ability to communicate effectively and inspire others helps you to succeed. However, the energy of the number 7 can also bring challenges. It's important to remain flexible and adaptable during this time, as unexpected changes can arise. Your ability to stay centered and grounded, even in the midst of chaos, can be a great asset. This is also a good year to focus on developing your problem-solving skills and to seek out new experiences that help you to grow and expand your horizons. Overall, the numerology predictions for 2023 in Universal Year 7 suggest that this is a time of great opportunity for personal growth and transformation. For those with a life path number 33, this year presents a chance to deepen your spiritual practice, expand your leadership skills, and make a positive impact on the world around you. With the right mindset and a willingness to embrace change, this year can be one of your most successful and fulfilling yet. Numerology is a fascinating tool for gaining insight into one's life path, personality traits, and potential future outcomes. By understanding the numerical values associated with one's birth date, name, and other significant factors, individuals can gain a greater understanding of themselves and their place in the world. In 2023, numerology can be a valuable tool for achieving personal and professional success, and there are several tips and strategies that can be used to leverage its power. One of the most important tips for using numerology in 2023 is to set clear goals and intentions. By identifying what you want to achieve and then aligning your actions with your numerological profile, you can work towards your desired outcomes with greater clarity and purpose. For example, if your life path number is 8, which is associated with ambition, wealth, and success in business, you may want to set goals related to career advancement, financial growth, or entrepreneurship. Another key strategy for using numerology in 2023 is to develop a daily practice that incorporates numerological insights. This can involve meditation, journaling, or other reflective practices that help you connect with your numerological profile and align your actions with your highest potential. For example, if your destiny number is 6, which is associated with nurturing, creativity, and service to others, you may want to develop a daily practice that involves creating art, volunteering, or spending time in nature. Working with a numerology expert can also be a powerful way to unlock your full potential in 2023. A numerology expert can provide detailed insights into your numerological profile, including your life path number, destiny number, and other significant factors. They can also help you identify areas of strength and weakness and provide guidance on how to leverage your numerological profile to achieve greater success and fulfillment. In addition to these tips and strategies, there are several other ways to use numerology in 2023 for personal and professional success. For example, you may want to use numerology to choose auspicious dates for important events, such as weddings, business launches, or major purchases. You can also use numerology to gain insight into relationships by comparing your numerological profile to that of a partner or potential partner. Overall, numerology can be a powerful tool for achieving personal and professional success in 2023. By setting clear goals, developing a daily practice, working with a numerology expert, and leveraging other strategies for using numerology, individuals can gain a greater understanding of themselves and their potential and take action towards their highest aspirations. As we come to the end of this video, I hope that you feel inspired and empowered to explore the unique qualities and opportunities that come with a life path number 33. Remember that your journey is your own, and you have the power to create a life that is aligned with your purpose and values. By understanding your life path number and working with numerology, you can gain valuable insights into your strengths, challenges, and opportunities for growth. Whether you're seeking personal or professional success, numerology can serve as a powerful tool to help you achieve your goals and live a fulfilling life. So take the time to explore numerology and all that it has to offer. Set goals, develop a daily practice, and consider working with a numerology expert to unlock your full potential. And most importantly, remember to embrace your unique path and trust in your own abilities to create a life that is truly meaningful to you. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best on your journey ahead. Be open to receive, and I hope to see you in my future.